Well, hello everybody. Let me get to where I'm supposed to be. Okay, so what I wanted to show everybody was the way that you would do a seesaw with your child. I know some of you work and you're not home and you have somebody else do the seesaws with your child, which is perfectly fine. That is a-okay. But I need somebody like an adult to guide them through these because our little kinders don't know how to read. My daughter has Seesaw also for her classroom, and I'm going to show you what I do with my daughter when she has a Seesaw. So hopefully there's a better understanding of how to complete a Seesaw with your child. So let's go, for example, I'm in the bananas group, and this was assigned on, I think, Tuesday. This was the ELA rhyming words. So what you're going to do is the first thing you should do is read the directions right here. Read the directions. If you need to play the directions, sometimes I include the play instructions. Sometimes I don't. It's if I remember to do it, I will do it. But you're going to read the directions, and then you're going to press the add response button. Yours automatically goes to your child, but I'm going to be a sample student. So now here I am. I'm here, but I shouldn't be here because I don't know what I'm doing, right? So this is what you're going to do first is always check to see if there is a video. So let me go back to that one right here. And always check to see if there's a video. And right here, there is a video. So let's press play. Oh, look it's me.
Hello friends, welcome to Haggerty.
Always watch the videos that I have for you. I do these videos to teach a lesson or a skill. And then that lesson or skill is going to be put in place into the activity. So please make sure you are watching my videos before doing the activity. And then you're going to press the add response. And then you're going to complete this. And this right here, it's like you have to press, it says match the words that rhyme. And you're going to press the move bar, which is down here below. So you need to click on that move bar. Now you can actually move them. So star rhymes with car. You're going to click on car and move it over. So if this was my daughter, I would tell her match the words that rhyme with what is this picture? And if she said star, okay, what picture matches over here? You're basically their teacher at home is basically what that is what when you signed up for virtual learning, this is what it is. You are their teacher. And I'm learning to teach kids as well as my daughter. So it's been a little balancing act, a little juggle. Then you have to make sure you think of a word that rhymes with each of these words, and it has the microphone. So you would click the microphone, and then you would have them say tree, what rhymes with tree. Now this is easy because it actually has pictures, and they can actually look at the pictures and tell you the pictures. There is a second page. Please make sure you look over here to see if there is another page. Majority of the time there is another page. So here is the page here. So here, change one letter to make a new word. Okay, so this is a den. Den turns into, and then you would type the word. You click the type, turns into pen. This you obviously would have to help them spelling the word. But they can type it or they can write it, whichever is easier for them. But they're going to need the help. Hug. Hug goes into, what is this a picture of? Mug. So they're obviously are going to need some assistance with this one. But again, don't give them the answers. Guide them towards the right answers, but don't give the answers, and please do not do their work on Seesaw. When my daughter has work, it's really hard not to, but you gotta let them do their own work. It's the only way they're gonna learn. We've already been to kindergarten. We already know all this stuff. They have to learn it. And this is their new way of learning. So we have to take that step away from it. I know it's hard being a parent. I know it's hard. I get it. But coming from the teacher, you gotta let them do it so that I can see what they can and cannot do. Then down here, use one of the words to write or type a sentence. So this one here, even if you didn't want to write or type, you could press the, where the microphone's going, you could press the microphone and you could say a sentence. Tell me a sentence using one of these words. That'd probably be easier than having them type it so I could hear it. So when that is done, you're going to press done. And then you're going to press done again. And it says it's going to upload, but that's fine. But once it's done, it's done. And then it goes into their journal. Now I made it so that only you can see your child's work and I can only see their work. So nobody else can see each other's work. We're going to delete and start over. But that is the way we do a seesaw, and then it goes into the box. The other thing I wanted to talk about was the boom cards right here. So I'm going to try to figure out a way to get the video and the boom cards on the same page. So that's like my new goal, to make these boom cards a little easier. But once again, please watch the video first. So this activity, you watch the video and I would review all of these nursery rhymes with you. And then you're going to go to boom card. So when you go to the boom cards, it's going to take you obviously to this page. You're going to pick your child's name. So let's pick Angelina. You're going to pick your child's name. It is room 205 is the password, and press OK. You're going to see down here below there are different assignments. There's 3 different assignments, but I want you to focus on the assignment that boom card, that seesaw was about. And this one was about Jack and Jill. So this is the one you're going to pick, is Jack and Jill.
Let's review what we know about the nursery rhyme.
Now these, they should be able to do by themselves. If there is a speaker up here, it will read it for them. Up here, Jack and Jill went up and you could actually press it and it actually has a picture of the well or hill. You can help them out here. You can actually say, this is a well, this is a hill. Which one did she go up? Let them move it. Let them give you the answers. And then once those are all done, that's awesome. Once those are all done, these are really, really awesome for me to get a good data collection on your child. It comes up how well they did. So this is a good way for me to collect data on a skill that we have taught. But I need their data, not you telling them the answer data. So let them, once again, help guide them, read it to them, but let them pick the answers. I think there was one more I wanted to talk about. Sorry that my daughter is loud in the background. The next one was the wellness checks. So, Lucy, shh, thank you. The next was the wellness checks. Now the wellness checks, these are for you to fill out, not your children. So please make sure you're filling these out every Wednesday. The wellness checks basically are all about you and your child and your family. So this is for you, the adult, to be filling out. You can have them fill all this out. Play my video. It explains everything. The child can fill out, is here today, the day, how I feel today. But I need you to fill out this part right here. You can't see that marker because it's a yellow marker. But this part right here, I need you to fill out for me. Do you need anything from us? that is basically, do you need any food? Do you need a new computer? Do you want paper packets? Is there something academically going on that you want to talk about? Is there something like health-wise you want to talk about? Whatever. You put it in here and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I will make it, well, I'll try to make it happen, I guess you can say. So that would go right there. But once again, this is all for you, the adult, to fill out. So please make sure you are sitting next to your child filling out this form, because I'm getting a lot of scribbles and I'm not sure that parents or the adults are actually looking at that form, because that's a really important form that I need you to be looking at. So that's the wellness check right there for you to fill out. Other than that, I think that's all I have. If there's any questions, please ask me. I'm really quick to respond. I just want this to be an awesome learning experience for these kinders. I'm trying my best to keep it engaging and keep it fun, but I'm gonna need your help. So this is basically like a two-way street. So I'm gonna need your assistance and I'm gonna need your help with this one. So I really appreciate everything you're doing at home. I really, really do. So thank you so much for everything. I appreciate it. Once again, any questions, let me know. I'm always here. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, my friends. And I will see you soon. Okay? Bye, everybody.